Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To get to the blower motor, we're going to go underneath the dashboard. There's a black plastic trim panel here. We need to remove this. We use our plastic trim tools. You get these from 1aauto.com. Push in on it and pull down at the same time or unclip it. Pull it out of that tab back there. Now we have access to the blower motor that's under here. You can unplug the electrical connector by pushing in the lock. Pulling down the connector. There's 3 screws holding it into the heater box. This one's kind of obscured by this metal bracket. I'm going to gently bend this metal bracket down. Just get it out of the way. Not too far. Just enough so I can get a ratchet in there. These are 8mm. You could also use a flat-bladed screwdriver or a T25 Torx, but this one's going to be easier to get this ratchet in here. These little self-tapping screws. Get that one loose. That's the hardest one to get to. There's one that's in the back. Angle. And look at the last one here. And it's pretty much going to fall out of place. Maneuver it around this bracket with the electrical connectors. There's our blower motor. Here's our blower motor assembly we pulled from our vehicle. It has the blower motor resistor integrated into it. This is the brand new one from 1aauto.com. Same exact style with the blower motor resistor integrated into it. Single plug connector, 3 mounting holes. This will work great and fit great in our vehicle. We're going to install the new blower motor. I'm going to line up this opening, the opening in the heater box. Maneuver it into place. Get this screw caught here because it's easy to reach. Put the last one in the back here. Just tighten them up a little bit. Don't have to go too hard because they're just going into plastic. Plug this connector back in. Give it a little click when it locks into place. And of course bend this bracket back up into place. Good enough. Take a ratchet out of here. Take our plastic trim panel. So this pin needs to go in the back here. And then lift this up into place. It'll snap into place. The blower motor is replaced.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.